Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to get DirecTV streaming app on your Samsung Smart TV. Maybe your TV is too old to download streaming apps, or it can't connect to the internet to download the app. Whatever the reason is, it can be really frustrating if you're not able to download the app. To install DirecTV streaming app on your TV, you just have to have an HDMI port to plug into. Now for this process, you have to invest in a streaming device such as Amazon Fire Stick, Apple TV 4K, or Roku Stick to plug into your TV HDMI port. You would then use a Roku or Fire Stick as your main streaming player, which bypasses the operating system on your TV. Well, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.